Welcome to day 6 of our 14-day fasting devotional series. Today is a turning point, a moment where the noise quiets, the spirit rises, and God begins to shift something deep within you. If you've made it this far, you're not just fasting, you are transforming. Ezekiel 36:26 says, "A new heart also will I give you, and a new spirit will I put within you." This is the promise of day 6, renewal from the inside out. By this stage of your fast, your body has slowed down, your cravings have softened, and your distractions have faded. Now your spirit is rising to the surface. This is where God begins to deal with the deeper layers, the thoughts, patterns, and emotions that were buried under routine, stress, and noise. Fasting exposes what needs healing. Fasting reveals what needs releasing. Fasting awakens what God has been trying to grow in you. You may feel more sensitive today, more reflective, more aware, more emotional. This is not weakness, this is awakening. God is shifting your inner atmosphere. He is renewing your mind, purifying your heart, and strengthening your spirit. Romans 12:2 reminds us, "Be transformed by the renewing of your mind." This is the work God is doing in you today, a quiet, internal transformation. Let God show you what needs to be released, what needs to be forgiven, what needs to be restored, and what needs to be rebuilt. Day 6 is not about perfection. It is about alignment, letting God bring your heart, your thoughts, and your spirit into agreement with His will. Pray with me. Father, today I surrender to the shift you are creating within me. Renew my mind, purify my heart, strengthen my spirit, remove anything that blocks your voice, heal what has been hidden, restore what has been broken, and align me with your will for my life. Amen. Take a moment today to reflect on this question. What is God revealing to me about myself on day 6? Write freely, write honestly. This is where transformation begins. Day 6 is a sacred turning point. You are not just fasting, you are being renewed, aligned, and strengthened. Stay consistent, stay surrendered, stay open. God is shifting you from the inside out. If this devotional blessed you, continue with us on this 14-day journey. And if you'd like the full day 6 devotional with scriptures, prayer, and journal prompts, you can download it using the link in the description. I'll see you for day 7.